funny thing in water.
A wheelchair friendly walk, probably one of the only wheelchair friendly walks in this area anyway that I know of. Yeah, I'll put the name of it, I'll put all the info, where it is and all that kind of stuff, because it's really, it sort of encompasses a loch area. I'll show a little map as well. Anyway, off we go, see you in a bit. With a view like that, that's absolutely stunning. Wow, I think the weather's closing in. Dragonflies. Gorgeous walk this is. It's absolutely so pretty. The amount of dragonflies I've seen, really lovely. It's a very lovely walk if you're like me and really unfit. It's so pretty. The viewpoint now. Look at the views, look at them. It's a geopark, this area. Something about a massive asteroid 3 billion or million years ago. Oh, I can't remember the exact detail. Landed on leg and created this geopark. You know what, it's actually really magical. I'm so glad we came. It's only a 35-minute drive from where we are in Colkeen. Really lovely. I mean, oh, that's Ben More, by the way. I wasn't 100% sure until, but we've kind of, yeah. I'll go back down for a minute just to get a good view. That mountain, Ben More, yeah. Right, back up here. The amount of dragonflies that we're disturbing as we walk along. loch in the distance, and that's a Suilven, a sort of round shape. You can't see the end of it. Such an odd shaped mountain. Fascinating it is. I can feel a bit of rain. Oh, we've been very lucky with the weather. All the weather apps say it's raining every day. It's absolute rubbish. The viewpoint, Suilven, Ben More, yeah, beautiful. And then back down that way, well worth it. Well, it just shows how quickly the weather closes in because it was really beautiful and sunny and quite hot, but now it's starting to rain. But this has been a really lovely walk. I think we're done now. We're going to head back, which is sort of repeating what we've just seen, but it's been absolutely lovely and I'd highly recommend it. And I'll put all the details in the description. It's absolutely lovely. Boys have really enjoyed it as well. We're going to try something a little bit more challenging on the next one. Take care everybody, see you on the next one. Bye.